Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Welcome back to video 6 in the rocking chair series. Today we're working on the last two parts of the rocking chair. Blake, what are these two pieces we're working on today?
So these two pieces we're working on today, this one's going to be for the seat pan. We're going to do a curved type cut in it, and these are going to be our back slats. So they'll be a simple, easy cut, and shouldn't take too long.
Very cool. All right, well, let's get to work. All right, Blake, with these last two parts done, what's our next step?
Our next step is we're going to take these parts, we're going to go over and we're going to basically round them over to start doing some sanding and some dry fitting. So I know I had a lot of fun cutting out all these parts and doing the CNC work, but now we got to put some elbow grease to it.
Elbow grease it is. Watch the last video where we go through final assembly, talk about finishing, and you can see this chair completed and ready to be put together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our website at lwmcnc.com. See you guys in the next one.